A trust fall, a twist, and a friendship under the spotlight. What's really going on between Zhang Linghe and Chengxin? Welcome to Meomi PopScope, where every viral moment has a story beneath the surface. Sometimes, all it takes is 1 second to change everything. Or in this case, one unexpected step back. On the April 1, 2026 episode of the variety show Let's Start Thinking, Zhang Linghe and Chengxin delivered a scene that quickly became the talk of the internet. It started simply, a trust game. Zhang Linghe asked Chengxin to close his eyes and fall backward, promising to catch him. Without hesitation, Ding complied, and for a brief moment, everything went exactly as expected. He was caught. And then, he wasn't. In a sudden twist, Zhang Linghe let go, joking, first lesson in reasoning, anything is possible. The timing, the contrast, and the fact that it aired on April Fool's Day made the moment feel almost scripted, like a metaphor disguised as a prank. Fans laughed, replayed it, analyzed it. Some even called it a perfect example of expectation versus reality. But was it just a joke? To understand why this scene hit so differently, you have to look beyond that one moment. Because what audiences are reacting to isn't just a fall, it's the history behind it. The dynamic between Zhang Linghe and Chengxin has been quietly building for years. From their early, slightly awkward interactions back in 2021 to their now effortless chemistry, their relationship has evolved into something easy, almost instinctive. And that comfort shows, in ways both big and small. There's the physical ease. A handshake caught on camera at a red carpet event in early 2026 sparked discussion simply because of how natural it looked. On stage, Chengxin once ran across just to hug Zhang Linghe, while in variety shows, their interactions often include playful gestures, light teasing, back pats, even the occasional exaggerated grab that fans jokingly interpret as affection. Then there's the way they talk to each other. Chengxin has openly praised Zhang Linghe's sharpness and appearance, calling him fast as a leopard and handsome, to which Zhang Linghe once responded by asking him to say it louder. Ding didn't hesitate. He shouted it loudly. The moment was both hilarious and strangely telling, an example of their unfiltered, almost boyish dynamic. Their banter can flip just as quickly into mock rivalry. During auction segments, they tease each other relentlessly, raising bids just to outplay the other. Zhang Linghe jokingly calls Chengxin a henchman, while Ding fires back without missing a beat. It's playful, chaotic, and, above all, familiar. So when the trust fall happened, it didn't feel isolated. It felt like a continuation. Naturally, fans began to read between the lines. The height difference, the contrast in personalities, Zhang Linghe's calm, composed demeanor against Chengxin's energetic charm, creates a dynamic that's easy to interpret and perhaps even easier to exaggerate. Add in clever editing, slow-motion replays, and fan-made compilations, and suddenly a simple interaction becomes something more layered. Some viewers compared the letting go moment to scenes from The Truman Show, suggesting deeper meanings about trust and reality. Others brushed it off as classic variety show humor, amplified by good timing and great chemistry. So where does the truth lie? For now, both Zhang Linghe and Chengxin have remained relatively quiet about the speculation. Zhang Linghe once joked during a live stream that people born after 2000 don't lie to each other, while Chengxin has spoken more about their teamwork than anything else. Their actions, however, speak clearly enough. They are comfortable, collaborative, and undeniably in sync. Maybe that's all it is. Or maybe, that's exactly why people keep watching. Because in an industry where everything can feel calculated, moments like these, whether real or carefully framed, offer something rare, the illusion of spontaneity. And perhaps the bigger question isn't whether there's something going on, but why we want there to be. If this moment made you pause, laugh, or even overthink just a little, then you're already part of the conversation. Subscribe to Meomi PopScope and stay with us as we uncover the stories behind the moments everyone can't stop talking about.